not dating him. Yes, sitshentile ubonile video, we met up to talk about it. And maybe he likes joking around, he's silly, but there is no relationship between me and him. Ningandiphikisa again baniyafuna, but yeah, it is what it is. I don't care if I make things worse anyways. I really don't care. Because kuyafana nizobhiliva nifuna ibhiliva. So it is what it is.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. So Uvuyo we are explaining Lalana ukuthi yena she just went to a club to enjoy herself. Wahlangana nendoda angayazi ukuthi uzonzo and stuff. And azange ngenzakale next between them. It's just nje yabo. Uzonzo yena posted this ku timeline yakhe kwa Instagram wathi bodies what ekuseni. And you could see these people were laughing. Vuyokazi makajava laphayana. Shukuthi they were laughing ukuthi, oh, usuke ukuyoba umakoti lena and you come here to be one of our baddies. For they are not even baddies. Bayini asanoma slay queens abantu abafuna ubumavuso ekuseni. Girlfriend kaZonzo Hazel further on explained that Zonzo took Vuyokazi to a hotel, booked her a flight, and also took her etlabini. And then they went to the hotel there, postable to Basemanzin. They went there and they got intimate. And if Sako Gazonzo, they kept on exposing this girl because they know how to chase clout, and they know Uzonzo uses these girls to chase clout. And then today morning, Uzonzo wavuka nje wazipostela uHazel wakhe wamthatha wamisa emakhaya. Nje, it's like manje uVuyakazi ijoke nje. Ijoke. Maybe she was just trying to have fun, and maybe Uzonzo forced her ukuthi amposte story, but also abantu they are thinking ukuthi uVuyakazi was trying to shift the spotlight yezingane zesithembu. I feel like Uvuyokazi beka-rebranda kahle and everyone was uploading Uvuyokazi. But then she came to internet and told us ukuthi abantu ngenkathi graduate no one congratulated her and no one was spreading whatever that was happening empilweni yakhe ngenkathi ethenga apartment. But ngoba yena she's involved with a man now, everyone has something to say, which made a lot of fans angry because everyone was supporting Uvuyokazi all along. And then she came to internet ezothuka abantu ukuthi hayi nina nizenza bo Mother Teresa. Uvuyokazi uyazimoshela and uzimoshela ngomuntu o-wrong nje. Uzimoshela ngomuntu o-wrong. I hope she learned her lesson and sekazoqala nje ukubheka i-circle yakhe. Thank you guys for watching. What are your thoughts on this?